Coming to you with ICP in 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Let's go. Ask you to read that disclaimer. We're going to get over on the ICP charts. ICP is currently sitting at $2.42, down 3% on the day. This is the 30-minute chart. Let's see. We're going to pull up some support levels. As you can see here, we've been back over here. When we run back up, come back down, we hit this resistance, come down, bounce support, run back up into resistance. We did get a push higher this time and then come back down, and ever since we've been losing momentum. We got basically like a descending. If you was to put a flag here, we kind of follow along right there, just figuring out what's going to happen. It looks like to me we're going to continue moving across over here, and we're getting weaker and weaker as we come across on this wedge pattern right here on this flag, and we're going to get to the point we're either going to break down or we're going to break through. Right now, we're showing weaker momentum as we move along, picking up lesser and lesser support as we come down in this area right here. So what happens after you pick up support and there ain't no more support, then you break through that wall of support. So where could we be heading? I don't see another level of support right there. Basically I don't see another level of support but right there at the $2 level. Really? So we get back up here. That's the only level of support that we do got. We got more resistance above us than we do got below us. That's a strong level of resistance up here. That's a pretty good size too. A lot more resistance than support we got. So you could look for, we do have, if we lose this support level, we're going to probably come down here to the 382, the negative 382. See if we can pick up a little bit of support right here like we did. We pushed up and come back right here in this area and found this area as a level of support. But what I'm seeing on the chart here, let me draw this up. We got a gap down here, and I do think we're going to feel it. I hadn't seen it, but I just seen this gap. You got a gap right here. As you can see right here, there's the top right there. And right up under, that's a gap right there we got. So it looks like we coming back down. We sitting at $2.42, and so now that I seen that gap, we're losing momentum. So what that tells me that we're gonna come down and we're gonna fill that gap. So what you can look for is ICP to kind of come down, like, you know what I'm saying, and just come on down and just fill that gap before moving back up here. So that's where we at on ICP. I hadn't even seen that. I looked at it. I said, there's a gap. It ain't been filled neither. That's it right there. There's a gap right there. There's a gap and basically an imbalance right there. So we probably gonna keep working our way down till we fall below the support level. Look for us to come down to $2 under $2.30. Maybe wicking down to the 2.618 before getting back up to the level. So next week we could see something happen on the economic data that cause a push down in the market, and that's when she'll come down and fill that gap, and then we can proceed back up. But the overall market is still going to pull back. Looking for Bitcoin to pull back more as time goes on, but we could rally up a little bit before we see this next push down. So keep your eyes open, but right now look for us to come back the $2.30, under $2.30 down to $2.28, and then after we'll get to that, fill that gap, then we'll update you on the next move for ICP. So, if you like the content, subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you on the next one. God bless you.